Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I take this current area rug and DIY it into this plush blue velvet rug. It's so comfortable, so pleasing to walk on. So first I went to Marshall's. I got these two plush blankets. They're both 50 by 70 inches. So if you're going to cover your existing area rug, just measure, see how much fabric you need. Initially, I was going to just use the blankets and put some backing on it to just create a brand new rug. But once I, realized I wanted to keep my old rug because I wanted it to be like a much thicker rug versus like a flatter rug, I decided to just DIY, kind of like reupholstering or revamping, making over my current rug. So each of these blankets were $16.99. It's by French Connection Home. Super cheap. So we're going to pause this video real quick. If you are watching this video and you are interested in this DIY rug, take a second and subscribe to my channel. Take a second, do it. I look terrible right now, but on my channel, it's a no judgment zone. I don't judge you, you don't judge me. That's how we do. But I do have a goal. I've been so consistent all year. I do have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And if you subscribe to my channel, you will be helping me reach that goal. It won't take you anything. You don't lose anything. You don't have to pay for anything. So go ahead and take a moment before we finish and get into this DIY rug. Go ahead. Oh, wait. I will wait. Did you do it? Okay, let's get into this DIY rug. Play around with the placement first. Make sure it's, enough space on each side so that I have enough to fabric to fold over. And in this lighting, it looks like the blankets are two different colors, but they're actually the same. It's just the way that the light is hitting it. Okay, so here's where we're going to get our glue gun, and then we're going to just, piece by piece, small section by small section, hot glue the two separate blankets together. So if you've used the hot glue gun before, you know that this glue dries very fast. So that's why you want to do section by section. I did like a couple inches in length with some glue, pressed it down neatly, making sure that the blankets are even, so it's not shifting or overlapping at a different ratio than the other side. Press it down real good so it's secure, and then move on to putting glue in another spot and do the same thing. And just repeat the process until you've fully glued down, each sides or both. excess fabric on each side. And just to note, because I didn't mention this in the beginning, if you are doing the same exact project and covering an existing rug, when you're doing your measurements to see how big of blankets you need to get or how much fabric you need to get, make sure you get larger than your existing rug, because you need some space to fold over and tuck. So just wanted to throw that out there in case you plan on doing this. You need extra fabric. Can't be the exact same size because you won't have any room to tuck and staple. So what we're doing is just smoothing the rug over on each side, just getting it into place before we secure it with the staples. Get any wrinkles out. Try to pull each side and tuck it under tightly so you don't have any wrinkles. And then you might see some wrinkles still here in the middle, but we're going to secure that with the staple gun in a so soft. This blanket is like just so perfect for the winter season, so perfect to, and this is a no shoe zone. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but no shoes, so nobody can put their shoes on, but it's so comfortable on your feet. All right, now we're going to secure it with the staple gun. It's looking a little crazy right now because I had to hold the camera and the blanket and the rug so I can, kind of get a close-up for you guys. But all you're doing is the folded pieces underneath, you're just going to put a few staples in each corner and then also put a few staples along the sides. You don't have to overdo it because I am going to be washing this blanket or DIY rug or cover or whatever you want to call it. I am going to be washing it, every once in a while. So I'll remove the staples, wash it, and then put it back on and staple it. So you don't want to put too many staples. But I love this so much. Make sure when you're stapling it, everything is super snug. This is the final product. It feels so good, like I said, on my feet. I can't wait to curl up on the fireplace, next to the fireplace, which is on the other side. Watch some Christmas movies and just kind of kick it with my daughter, family if they come over. But this is the final product. I hope you guys like it. Leave some comments. Let me know how you liked it, if you plan to do it, any other tips, advice, and I'll see you guys in my next video.